Welcome to my channel. Friends, today we are going to start with long division method of polynomials. We will see how to divide by long division method the two polynomials here I have taken. Divide x cube minus 6x square plus 7 by x minus 1. We will see how to divide this now. So firstly, x cube minus 6x square plus 7, we are going to divide this by x minus 1. So we will see how to divide this now. So here, first step what we have to do is, we have to see the first step of the first term of the dividend and the first term of the divisor, and we have to make both this equal. How to make that? See, I am taking this x minus x is there, no? This is the first term x, here x cube is there. So now what should be added to x? What should be multiplied to x so that I should get x cube? So that I should get x cube. So it is x square, right? So now I have to multiply this by x square. So then multiply all the terms, both the terms from x square here. X into x square is x cube, minus into plus, minus 1 into x square is 1x square. So now you have to change the sign. Here plus is there, here also plus is there, we have to make it negative. Here minus is there, we will make it positive. Now plus x cube and minus x cube get cancelled. So minus 6x square and plus 1x, or my plus 1x square is minus 5x square plus 7, right? Yes. So now again you see the first term here and the first term here. Minus 5x square is here, here x is there. Again we have to make it this equal to this. So now what we have to multiply to x so that I should get minus 5x square. So it is minus 5x, right friends? So minus 5x square I will get if I multiply this x with minus 5x. So here I am taking minus 5x. So now plus into minus, minus 5x into x, 5x square. Again we have to multiply both the terms as we did in this. So minus into minus is plus, 1 into 5x is 5x, right? Now both as negative sign, so we will change this sign as positive, and this plus will become here minus. So minus 5x square plus 5x square both will get cancelled. Then here minus 5x is there, here plus 7 is there, here variable are there, here one constant is there which we cannot add or subtract because this one as variable and this is only a constant. So only like terms we can add or subtract. Therefore this is not possible. So write down like that only. You have to write down as minus 5x as it is, plus 7 as it is, right? Next, again we have to check with this first term and this first term, and we have to make equal this first term x. What we have to multiply so that we should get minus 5x. So minus 5 we have to multiply for this x so that we will get minus 5x. So now I am going to multiply this by minus 5. Now again plus into minus, minus x into 5 is 5x, minus into minus is plus, 1 5s are 5. Now both is negative, we have to change again here the sign, positive, here negative. minus 5x and plus 5x get cancelled. Now both are constants, we can add or subtract. So 1 plus and 1 minus, plus 7 and minus 5. Greater number is 7, so we are going to take plus. 1 plus 1 positive and negative number is there, that means we have to subtract. 7 minus 5 is plus 2. So this is the remainder. I hope all of you understood, friends. Thank you for watching.